Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Maria. I do videos on my life outside of college as a recent grad in the current situation we're in, but I also do videos on making sure you're financially stable. You can definitely expect those videos as well. But for today's video, I'm pretty much just going to be going over what has been going on lately. I normally post every other day. I haven't had like a consistent posting schedule lately because I've just been so busy with other stuff. But I wanted to get on here and basically talk about what I have been up to lately because I'm super excited about all these things that are going on right now. So first things first, basically like the first big thing that's happening is that my parents are moving. So they are moving away somewhere south in a year. So basically this entire week I've just been sort of packing things up. I have a lease with my apartment likely until August, but it's only till June right now, but it'll likely be until August because they are leaving in June. So I've just been packing up a ton of stuff and basically getting it organized to go there. So my entire closet is organized with clothes I'm definitely taking to school. My drawers are organized, like there's nothing in them really. So that has been the first big challenge. It took me about like 4 or 5 days to actually get everything like sorted out and looking nice. So that is the first thing that has really been consuming my time because I will be moving in to my new apartment in about 2 weeks. It just is taking a lot of time to like organize everything and stuff like that. That also makes me super excited because I'm gonna be like taking you guys shopping with me for like decorations for this new place. As you can see like around me, I don't really have a lot of decorations or anything, and I was gonna put some up, but it would be kind of silly to do when I can just like buy all the stuff up where I'm gonna be living, because that like then I don't have to like carry all the decorations and stuff out here when like I'm only gonna be here for another like week or two anyway. So I'm gonna be like decorating and stuff over there, so I can't wait to do a video of that. I can't wait to do a video of a house tour and stuff like that. So I'm super excited to do those things. Yeah, like they're moving in June probably. They're putting their house up for sale probably in the spring to just get ready to sell it and just get ready to move and stuff like that. So I am taking a lease somewhere likely until August, so I have a place to stay, and then basically I'm gonna be like going from there. And the next thing I've been doing a lot is I have actually been like going shopping. Tomorrow or the next day after that, I'm gonna have a haul on my channel of all the stuff I got. So I am starting my new job very shortly, so I wanted to make sure I had the proper attire to wear. I wanted very like business professional clothing, but I also wanted to get a few like casual stuff for the weekends and stuff just to wear. I'm super excited to try them out, so that'll probably be a try on haul. I'll probably honestly like split the video, so I'll split like between the casual stuff and the business professional stuff because I did get a lot of that stuff. So I am gonna like split between those two probably just because there's a lot, but I went on a huge shopping trip today and yesterday, so I'm gonna be trying all that stuff on for you. I'm really excited, and so I kind of like that's been consuming my time as well, just getting ready for my new job, being able to like look nice for it. Speaking of my job, so like pretty much what's been going on with that is like with the pandemic and everything, obviously like a lot of stuff got postponed, and that was my job as well. My job got postponed, but I love that company so much, so I like just waited. I was like, you know, like it's fine, I get it, everyone's crazy about the pandemic at that time that it was postponed. Like no one wanted to go anywhere, like it was super dangerous, so I completely supported their decision kind of postponing everything that was going on because I think like a lot of people were scared, and I think like overall for the company that I'm working for, it was the best decision to kind of postpone that and just like let everyone kind of get settled in after graduation, because a lot of people like really like were scared about this. I know for me, I was like really terrified when I heard about it. So I really think like them doing that was the best thing they could do for the company and also for the new people they're bringing on. So they postponed it to August, and I'm really happy they made that decision, and I will be starting in early August for this job, so I'm super excited. But I was just notified today that I'm gonna be working remotely, which I'm actually really excited to get that experience of working remotely. So I'm really glad that it's remote. Actually, I think that it's gonna be interesting kind of documenting my experiences about what's different between like working at a physical place and then what's different about like working remotely and like how you stay motivated working remotely and all that stuff. So I definitely want to document that, and I definitely want to create a video about that. So that also is something that I really want to work on with you guys and like kind of show you the process. Obviously I'm not going to show the company or like anything they do or anything like that, but I'm going to like talk about kind of what I've learned through like a remote experience versus just like going into the business and having like a normal work day. So it's definitely going to be a great experience learning remote in a professional business setting rather than just learning in person and having somebody like training you like right there in front of you. I'm sure the training is going to be magnificent because they are a great company and I know they're going to lead us to success whether they do remote in person. So they are doing remote as of now. I don't know if that's going to like, I trained for 2 months with the company, so I really don't know if like I'm gonna go remote and then I'm gonna be like working in the office after that. So like I'm not really sure what's gonna go on. I think it depends how the state and just how like everyone's doing with the coronavirus. So I'm pretty sure that's kind of how things are going with that. So that's another thing that's like really kept me busy lately, and that's something that I'm also really excited to share my experiences with you guys about how it goes. So I'm really excited to share my experiences with you guys about how it goes. So I think that's going to be really interesting as well to just like tell you guys how my days have been going, how much of an adjustment it's been to work from home rather than working at a physical business. And then the next thing I'm working on, which I'm really excited to be doing, is my cousin. She's getting married in about a month, so I'm really happy for her. She has met like a fabulous guy, so I'm so happy that she's getting married. I actually told her, I was like, you know, like I know you're looking for somebody to do your videography. I have a bunch of cameras and stuff. Why don't you let me do it? And so I will be doing her videography. I'm gonna be documenting pretty much how I'm doing the videography. So that's gonna be more of like a vlog setting of how I'm doing it. I'm not gonna do too much of like me actually shooting it, because like I want this day to be like about her, and it's very important that it's about her and not like about my content or anything like that. I think it's always like the bride and the groom's day, like it's no one else's day, it's their day. So I'm not gonna record like a ton of me doing it, but I am going to record probably like what my plans are for all of the shots and stuff like that, and like kind of how I'm going about this like amateur videography project, like as a new person who has never done any sort of like wedding thing before. So that's something I'm gonna be like kind of going over with you guys, is how I'm planning it out and stuff. So I'm not probably gonna have somebody recording me at the physical wedding doing it, but I'm going to like show you guys like the sheet I have and stuff, and I will include clips on here of their wedding. I'm not gonna include their full video unless they're comfortable with it, because you know, it's like their lives, it's not my life. So like I'm not gonna like put their lives out on the internet without their consent, but I think it'd be super cool to at least like be able to like post a few clips on there to show you like how I got certain shots and how I was able to do this as an amateur. I feel like a lot of weddings, especially like given the coronavirus, I feel like a lot of weddings are trying to do things more like cost effectively. If you're not trying to spend a lot of money and like you think you have a friend who could be good at this and just learn this for your wedding, I think it'd be really cool to like kind of show you how I'm doing it just as somebody who's never done it before. But I'm going to go through like everything I've done so far. So I've been planning like all the shots I want for the wedding, so like I have a good idea on how I'm gonna do the videography, and I think she's gonna really like it as well. So I'm gonna be recording a lot of that as well. We're going for a weekend to Bar Harbor, so I think it's gonna be super fun. Jake's gonna be there as well because he was invited to the wedding, so we're all gonna be doing that. But that's pretty much what I've been up to lately. It's been super busy. It's been a lot, but definitely I'm on the right track now. It was a lot to pack up and like move and stuff. It's been really busy, but I'm just really excited to like be back filming for you guys. That pretty much completes the video for today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe below, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.